Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Mille and Harley MCQs Chapter 9, Multicellular and Tissue Levels of Organization. Let's start. Multicellular life has been a part of life on Earth for approximately years. 50 million. 100 million. 550 million. 1.5 billion. Correct answer 550 million. The first animals may have arisen from a large multinucleate cell that subsequently formed plasma membranes within the cell to produce a small multicellular organism. This idea is known as the hypothesis. Colonial. Syncytial. Membrane. Precambrian. Correct answer syncytial. Which of the following is a fossil formation in British Columbia containing about 20 animal body forms that are not assigned to any modern animal phyla? Burgess Shale. Ediacara Formation. Timoshan Formation. Gem-Mule Formation. Correct answer Burgess Shale. All of the following are characteristic of members of the Phylum Porifera except one. Select the exception. Asymmetrical. 3 cell types. Central cavity, or a series of branching chambers, through which water circulates during filter feeding. Diploblastic tissue organization. Correct answer diploblastic tissue organization. Which of the following cell types is involved with creating water currents during filter feeding of a sponge? Pinacocytes. Choanocytes. Porocytes. Mesenchyme cells. Correct answer choanocytes. Which of the following cell types is involved with secreting skeletal elements of a sponge? Pinacocytes. Choanocytes. Porocytes. Amoeboid/mesenchymal cells. Correct answer amoeboid/mesenchymal cells. Which of the following cell types is involved with regulating water movements through a sponge? Pinacocytes. Choanocytes. Porocytes. Mesenchyme cells. Correct answer porocytes. In an ascon sponge, choanocytes. Line radial canals that branch off the spongocoel. Line the spongocoel directly. Are found in flagellated chambers. Line incurrent canals. Correct answer line the spongocoel directly. In a cycon sponge, the body wall appears to be highly folded, thick and perforated by a highly branched canal system. Unfolded and not perforated by a branched canal system. A single cell layer thick. Correct answer highly folded. The most complex sponges have a body organization called cycon, leucon, ascon, mycon. Correct answer leucon. Evolutionarily, members of this phyla are considered the most primitive animals. Ctenophora. Cnidaria. Porifera. Nematoda. Correct answer Porifera. All of the following are characteristic of members of the phylum Cnidaria except one. Select the exception. Radial or biradial symmetry. Nervous system in the form of a nerve net. Choanocytes used in defense, feeding, and attachment. Gelatinous mesoglia located between epidermal and gastrodermal tissue layers. Correct answer a nervous system in the form of a nerve net. In the life cycle of a member of the class Hydrozoa, for example Lobelia, the polyp stage is always predominant. The medusa stage is always predominant. The medusa and polyp are both usually present. Nematocysts are absent. Correct answer the medusa and polyp are both usually present. Members of the class Scyphozoa include anemones, corals, hydra, jellyfish. Correct answer jellyfish. This is the only class of cnidarians that possesses solid polyp tentacles. Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, Anthozoa, Cubozoa. Correct answer Anthozoa. The largest and most prominent stage in the life cycle of most members of the class Scyphozoa is the medusa, planula, polyp, ephora. Correct answer Medusa. The class of Cnidaria that includes anemones is Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, Anthozoa, Calcarea. Correct answer: Anthozoa. Members of this class of cnidarians develop from benthic planula larvae, lack the medusa stage, and have 8 tentacles surrounding the mouth. Hydrozoa, Storozoa, Scyphozoa, Cubozoa. Correct answer: Storozoa. Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.